After 3 days of questioning, 180 people, 12 people have now been selected along with 4 alternates. They will then decide whether Ryan Ruth is guilty or not of trying to assassinate Donald Trump. The jury consists of 7 women and 5 men, and the 4 alternates are 2 men and 2 women. There are 6 white women, 4 white men, and 1 black man and 1 black woman on the jury. The alternates include 2 white men and 2 white women. Ryan Ruth, who is representing himself, claimed earlier in the day the government was being racially biased by striking African-American potential jurors. The government disputed that and called it a frivolous objection. Ruth also tried to strike anyone with a law enforcement connection. When Judge Eileen Cannon asked him if he thought anyone in law enforcement would be biased, Ruth answered, most definitely. Judge Cannon also warned Ruth that she had heard some whispering about legal advice between him and his standby attorneys and cautioned him he could only talk to them about procedures and technicalities. Ruth plans to call his son as a witness and a longtime co-worker and friend. He said another potential witness he will now not call for fear of that witness being deported. Ruth has been cordial and folksy during the questioning. He has expressed concern for potential jurors who had any type of hardships. One guy said he would have to work late at night after jury duty, and Ruth said, that's not nice, it's not good. Opening statements begin at 9 a.m. tomorrow. We'll hear from both sides. We'll get to hear how Ryan Ruth plans to defend himself as this trial continues. In Fort Pierce, Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.